Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the flat trend indicator for MT4 and MT5. Although in this video, I'm going to be focusing on the MT4 version. All right, if you need the indicator, if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. If you want the MT4 version, you can download the MT4 version. If you want the MT5 version, you can download the MT5 version. All right. Now, after downloading the indicator, don't forget to head over to your data folder. Once you get to your data folder, if you are using the MT4 platform, just look for MQL4. If you're using the MT5 version, just look for MQL5. Open it, look for indicators, and then you can paste the MQL4 source file or the EX4 file, as the case may be, inside this folder. Why? That is for the MT4, of course. Okay. So once you're done with that, head back to the navigator and just refresh. And then you should find your flat trend indicator. Drag and drop to the chart. Ensure that you allow your DLL imports. Ensure that you allow the DLL imports. Okay. And then as for the inputs, you'll notice that it's just the TF. That is the time frame, of course. That is the only custom settings that is here, right? Value 5 minutes. Now, this indicator helps you to optimize your trading decisions, right? It is designed to clearly highlight when the market is moving sideways or, lacking strong momentum. You will notice that there are basically three colors. When the color of the indicator is green, it shows bullish momentum is prevailing, right? And then when it turns yellow, it's more like a neutral phase, maybe a phase of consolidation or low momentum, right? And then when the color changes to red, it shows that bearish momentum is prevailing. Okay, so this is a simple indicator, pretty self-explanatory, and it is better to use it in a trending market. All right, it's better to use it in a trending market, and then you should always get confirmations. Yeah, you should get confirmations like candlestick patterns and any other confirmation of your choice before executing a trade. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, this might just be a good time to do that. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. If you know that you want to be among the first to get an update when a new video is dropped, then of course you should subscribe and turn on your notifications. Don't forget to like the video if you found any value in it, and also share the video with anyone who you feel is going to find it valuable as well. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.